Okay guys, so this package just got in, and this is a fly rod building kit from Mudhole, and I'm super excited to figure out what's in here, so I'm gonna open it and show you what's in here. It's my first time building a rod. Oh gosh, so many colors. Comes with everything you would need to build a rod, and we're gonna open this after we figure out and get everything out of here. Okay, so alcohol burner, and rod dryer. Okay, so now we're opening my rod links, and that's super sticky, and I'm super excited about getting to build my own rod. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Okay, so got it open. That should be all in the tube. I'm probably the most excited I've ever been in a while. Here they are, black and plain, totally customizable to anything you would want. So I'm super excited to get like my own designs on here. I can't wait to have these finished and use them to catch permit and trout and all sorts of other things. So I'm very excited that this package came in, and I would definitely recommend these if you are looking into building a rod, because it comes with everything you need to build a rod. I unpacked everything to show you what's all in it, and there's everything that's in there is 3 things of adhesive, 3 things of guide tubing, reamers. I think there's 2, yeah. Here's the other pack of reamers for all the different sizes. Thread, hand wrapper, alcohol burner, and a rod dryer, thread finish, and cork for your grip, and some more threading, and just some tape, and different sizes. Then you have your guides, and your reel seat, and your rod dryer, and that's everything, and it has every single component you could need to build your rod. So this is from Mudhole, and I'm super excited, and I'll keep posting videos about how the rod building is going, and I'll keep you guys updated. If anybody has ever built a rod or knows somebody that has, I'm open to suggestions and always grateful for help from anybody. Also, I'd like to thank Mudhole for putting this kit together and sending it to me, and I'm really grateful for that, and I'm super excited to build my own rod.